Acrovyn is a construction specialties brand widely recognized as a leader in wall protection. Follow these steps to install Acrovyn sheet. The tools needed include Trowel, V-notch trowel, Acrovyn mastic adhesive, Acrovyn caulk or trims, Acrovyn primer, extension roller. Ensure the wall is clean, smooth, and dry prior to priming. Apply the adhesive to an area of the wall surface that can be completed within the cure time of the adhesive, making sure the entire area receives an even coat. Regularly check the adhesive coverage to ensure the correct amount is being applied. Cure time can vary based on temperature and relative humidity. A fan or dehumidifier can help reduce this time. When applied, the adhesive is white and creamy. As it cures, the adhesive will become translucent and tacky. The adhesive should be firm, yet pliable to the touch without transferring to your finger. Installing wall covering before this stage can result in bubbling and/or delamination. Once the adhesive is cured properly, install the wall covering. Once the sheet is applied and aligned, use the roller to ensure maximum contact with adhesive. Run your palm over the entire surface, checking for air pockets or loose areas. Repeat these steps as needed.